Hey marketers! Today I'm diving deep into how you can absolutely crush social media marketing on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Ready? Let's go! To kick things off, it's all about knowing your audience. Dive into their interests, behaviors, and demographics. Not only will this inform your content, but it'll also shape your overall strategy. On Facebook, targeted ads are your best friend. Leverage them to zero in on specific groups. Don't just stop at ads though. Engage with your community through meaningful posts and comments. Make them feel heard and valued. Now, Instagram is all about the visuals. Invest in high-quality images and videos that tell your brand story beautifully. Think of it as your digital storefront. Don't forget to utilize Instagram stories and reels for that behind-the-scenes content. This is where you can get personal and really connect with your followers. On Twitter, keep things concise and timely. Use trending topics to join conversations and share valuable insights. Tweets have a short lifespan, so stay on top of what's current. Regardless of the platform, consistency is key. Post regularly and interact with your audience. This keeps your brand top of mind and builds a loyal following. Now, let's talk metrics. Analyze your performance to refine your approach. Look at what's working and what's not. Adjust your content strategy accordingly. It's like a constant feedback loop. And remember, authenticity builds trust. Be genuine in your interactions. People can tell when you're being real, and they appreciate it. So there you have it. Know your audience. Leverage targeted ads on Facebook. Invest in visuals on Instagram. Keep it timely on Twitter. Stay consistent. Analyze your metrics and be authentic. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to social media marketing success. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.